Children, today again we are going to start a new topic, that is famous Indian leaders. Children, the people of India are called Indians, and this leader means many great men and women. India is known for many great personalities, great men, great women. And these great men and women help our country to make great in the world. And all the countries of this world know about us very well. So children, in this chapter, I will show you some pictures and you have to identify, recognize these pictures, and then you have to write their names of the famous personality. So children, let's begin.
So children, see on the screen there are the pictures of famous Indian leaders. You have to identify. Children, see below this pictures there is the help box. You have to write the names from this help box. Okay. So children, the first picture is of whom? I am giving you some hints about this famous Indian leader. He is popularly known as Bapu, the father of our nation. He was the great follower of truth and non-violence, isn't it? So children, who is he? Yes, he is Mahatma Gandhi. So write now about the second picture. Children, he was the first president of India, isn't it? He was a great Indian political leader and a lawyer. He was also a great supporter of Mahatma Gandhi. So children, who is he? Who was the first president? Yes, he is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So children, write. Now children, we'll discuss about the third picture. He was born on 14th November 1889. He was the first Prime Minister of our country. He was also known as Pandit Ji. Children, his birthday is celebrated as Bal Divas, or you can say Children's Day. Children call him Chacha Nehru due to his love for the children. He wrote many books. So children, who is he? Yes, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So write now about this fourth picture. He struggled for India's freedom against the British rule. He was the founder of Azad Hind Fauj. He gave the famous slogan, "तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा." इन्होंने ये ध्येय वाक्य हम सबों को दिया था. बच्चों, इन्हें हम नेताजी के नाम से भी पहचानते हैं. तो who is he, children? Yes, you are right. He is Subhash Chandra Bose. So write his name. Now about this fifth picture. He was also the most important leader of Indian freedom struggle. Children, you know, he is known as the Iron Man of India. इन्हें लौह पुरुष के नाम से जाना जाता है. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने इनका एक प्रतिमा बनवाया है, सबसे ऊंचा प्रतिमा गुजरात में। एंड चिल्ड्रन, ही बिलीव्ड इन यूनिटी इन डाइवर्सिटी। ये अनेकता में एकता पर विश्वास करते थे और हमेशा चाहते थे कि भारतवर्ष अखंड बना रहे। So children, who is he? He is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So write his name below his picture. Okay, you have written. Very good. Now we'll discuss about the sixth picture. He is known as the father of the Indian Constitution. इन्हें भारतीय संविधान का जनक कहा जाता है। He was the first law minister. ये पहले कानून मंत्री थे भारत के। He was a social reformer and a true leader for the Dalit movement and abolished the practice of untouchability. बच्चों, इन्होंने छुआछूत जैसे कुप्रथाओं को भारत से उखाड़ फेंकने की अथक चेष्टा की थी। So, who is he, children? He is also known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar. So, you have identified he is Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. So, right? Now, children, we will discuss about the seventh picture. The seventh picture is of the second Prime Minister of our country. He gave a popular slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Since his childhood, he was very honest and laborious. He was known for his simplicity, patriotism. बच्चों, ये अपनी सादगी के लिए, अपनी ईमानदारी के लिए काफ़ी प्रसिद्ध थे। So, who is he, children? Yes, he is Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. He was the second Prime Minister of our country. So, write his name below his picture. Now, children, about this eighth picture. She is a great Indian woman, isn't it? She was the first and only female Prime Minister of our country. She was the daughter of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was India's first Prime Minister. Children, she was an Indian woman politician. She was very brilliant since her childhood. She studied abroad. So, who is she, children? Yes, she is Indira Gandhi. Very good. You have written? Okay. Now, the last picture of this chapter. Children, the picture is of a great orator or a poet, you can say. He wrote lots of poems in Hindi which became very popular. He was the first person to deliver speech in Hindi at the United Nations in 1977. He received Bharat Ratna Award. इन्हें 2015 में भारत रत्न पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया गया, जो कि भारत का सर्वश्रेष्ठ पुरस्कार होता है। So children, who is he? He is Atal Bihari वाजपेयी, इन्होंने स्लोगन दिया था, जय जवान, जय किसान, जय विज्ञान. So children, I hope you have written his name. Children, we all have written the names of the famous Indian leaders under their pictures. Now it's time to learn the names without any mistakes. Okay? You will learn them by heart. Thank you, children.